In this video, you'll see how I turned Austin Theory figure into Kurt Angle's illegitimate son, the American-made Chad freaking Gable. Shall we? Hey guys, I'm yours TTA aka, and remember my WrestleMania 39 Austin Theory custom made from a basic Superman figure? But today we'll be doing Chad freaking Gable, which I tried years ago as Shorty G, and yeah, let's just say it didn't turn out right. Time for its redemption arc. Let's start by stripping down its WrestleMania 39 attire, one by one at a time. His shin and calves looks impressive. His tricep is too large for Gable. Let me fix that for you. Off comes the head with the cutter. Theory's huge neck always looked weird on this figure somehow. Now this particular shot reminds me of Texas Chainsaw Massacre. I'll cut off some parts as Gable is more jacked and slimmer than Theory. Don't worry if you have a Superman figure and wanted to change him into a pro wrestler. You can use this video for ideas. I didn't use the ball joint to attach the head because I wanted to see the neck of Theory. That's why I placed the head on top of the ball joint instead. But I'll not use the same method for making Gable. I'll use a brown tab to make the skin look more tanned. Then I made a custom ears by folding and cutting the stickers to shape. It weirdly reminds me of the Yindir and the Robot movie. And to mark the definitions of his jacked body, I used a black CD marker and layered an orange calligraphy pen over it to create a brown tone that blends with the skin. And added a classy white tab for his wristbands. And now let's give him a signature singlet using a blue insulation tape as a base. And a red tab as part of his attire. The white stars are drawn with a white marker, highlighted with blue CD marker. You can use a white paper tab too, applying gold sticker near the abs. Finally, adding a thin white strips to match the theme. And that's it, the singlet is now completed. And to protect it, apply a full layer of transparent cello tab so nothing peels or smudges. Just slice the part of his back elbow to give him more articulation. And now I can finally say the singlet is now completed. It is easier to destroy something than create, so I had to protect it using a cello tab. And I'll use a red sticker to make the knee pads. Stick the transparent tab on its sticky side, cut the edges and fold them for easy removal without ruining the shape. I'll use a blue insulation tab for the boots. Also add some white stripes here on boots and the knee pads. Also a layer of gold sticker for more details. Now this is what the attire is supposed to look before cello tapping it. And now this is how it will look after I cello tap it and protect the details from coming off so quickly. And for the face, start with a rough sketch using a pencil. Shape the ears with scissors, and when you're confident with it, trace it with a black CD marker on top of it. Pro tip, if you are broke like me, draw the face. Otherwise, grab a head sculpt and save yourself the effort. and draw the hair using a black CD marker. You can use an orange calligraphy pen on top of the black permanent marker so it blends with it and forms a dark brown which matches the skin tone. And that's it. A custom-made head sculpt is completed. Now it just needs a bit of cello tap. And there you have it, a custom-made 2025 version of the American-made Chad freaking Gable. And he's fully sealed, fully mobile, and way better than my old Shorty G attempt that I made in 2020. The Superman base figure is perfect for Gable. He's lighter and better articulated than Theory, and overall cleaner. Let's compare with Austin Theory, the same Superman base, but look at the transformation. Even the height spot on. I'm so proud of this one. The likeness may not be perfect, but this is Chad's redemption arc. Thank you for spending valuable time for my channel. Until next time.
Thank you!